Good morning. It's Saturday morning. It's a pretty day. Look like it want to rain in certain spots. But anyway, I'm on my way to Sam's to pick up a couple of orders. Yes. There's been a lot of talk with cyber and just trying to get little things to be prepared or try to. You never could be over prepared. So being a little prepared is better than not being prepared at all. Anyway, I'll holler at y'all when I pull up to Sam's. Every time I come to Lafayette on a Saturday, it's always a lot of cars at this time. I don't care how early I come. I would have to come at 6 when it's still dark, and that's too early. Nothing open at that time. They have a lot of construction going on, so it's taking forever to get where I need to go. But yeah, almost there. Okay, I'm pulling up to Sam's. It's about doggone time. Oh, traffic. Oh, I'm doing a pickup. So let's pick up again. Let me go out and come back around. These spots can't be handicapped. Okay. I'm just really on it. Okay, we're back from Sam's, and this is what we picked up. Now I gotta bring this in the house. Yes. This is everything. It's a start. I'm back home. Yes. I'm waiting on a package to come. It looks so rough. I need a maintenance. Oh my God, I need a maintenance. Once I waiting on a package to come. Yes. From Dossier. Everybody's been raving about the perfume, how good it is and how long it lasts. And that what got me. Once they sprayed on, it lasts all day. So I'm going to open up that box when it come with you. Just made it. Yes. Oh, there's more than one package. This is the package. I'm assuming this is the package that I don't think this is though. This is kind of big. Oh, this is it. It's not it. My husband ordered me some things to put flour in. Flour, sugar. I'm listening. It's better if I stuff in there because the real stuff. Now I'm telling you. Every day, some sitting at that door for me to take in his house. And he would order offline.
Really? Man, you talking shit.
I'm gonna put these together. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. And I'm gonna show you where I place them at. I don't know if I want them on a back countertop or if I want them right here. Or on the island. I don't know. Now, at the same time, I called him and told him I ordered me some, I'm assuming that's what it was. I ordered me some perfume, the Dossier. And he said, I just ordered you some perfume. I said, don't be thinking like me. He said, well, I'm thinking about you and I just want you to have different ones because I've been trying to order a different scent every week. And this is what he ordered me. No, I never had it before. I don't know how it smells. They have another one coming in because he said he ordered 2.
He told me that wasn't actually it. I thought it was actually human still.
Let's see.
But it was top human. No.
This is the
Still
bottle.
that story,
It's
but
pretty.
it's still sitting also. I'm gonna join still get a green card.
Smell good. Now I know how it's gonna last.
Regarding the other one.
It smells real good.
Probably once. And don't lie and say you've been like a million times.
I'm gonna be smelling good, baby. All right. Anyway, hey. This is not the perfume I was waiting on because I was waiting for Dossier. So I guess I'll do a separate video with that one. And maybe that one and the other one that my husband ordered might come in at the same time. But this smells good. Oh, yes. And this is the box that it came in. Okay, thank you, babe. Haha. Thank you for watching. It comes with stickers. So I put the small stick. I'm not gonna write on it. My husband have a pretty handwriting, so I'll let him write on it when he gets from work. And these are for the bigger Tupperwares. And he asked me which one I wanted. When he told me he was ordering this, if I wanted clear. All I know is I told him I wanted white. And this wasn't too expensive. So, yes. These are the cans. And I'm about to get rid of all this, save this, and I'm about to sell them somewhere. Yes. I had to come back and say, this smells real good. Like, real good. Real good. I like it. Okay, this is where I decided for now to put it. I don't know if it's going to stay there. 9 out of 10, I'm going to move it. But for right now, it's going to be right there. And I have this in the corner right here. This was a gift from, actually, from one of the students that ride my bus. And I don't know, it just went good right there. Yep, this is the setup. So, I just have to write on the cans. I'm gonna let my husband do it, like I said, because his handwriting is way better than mine. You won't even understand what I wrote. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And give me ideas of what to do, because I'm new at this. Have a blessed day.